you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Do whatever you want.
Whatever you want to do.
I mean, you can walk around it. It's not really going to do much for a demo video.
Okay, well,
we can do it if you want it. I don't care.
Whatever you want to do, I'm with you.
Open it up.
Yeah, give me a seat. Nice back there. Okay. Oh, yeah.
You got YouTube and stuff? You right there?
Yeah, man. What you running here?
So I got a 320 Autotech alternator. I've got issues with it right now.
Yeah.
The Sundown Salt 8K, 4 Bonce 0515s, 8 Sound Cube 8s. I've got them. 4 of them are a little bit higher tuned, and 4 of them are a little bit lower. Yeah. I got Bonce tweeters, but I got issues with one of them.
Yeah.
The box is 15.5, tuned 30. Couple runs of 0. Battery issues, alternator issues.
Oh, well, yeah, it ain't a show unless we have some problems. If we go too smooth, we might need to get worried.
Right.
Yeah, man, whatever you can do, just take it easy. We don't want to lose nothing.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Put that one down.
I got
I'm still here.
I so appreciate it. Let them know they can find you on social media.
I really don't have any.
You don't have any?
It's John Turner on Facebook.
Okay, what's the name of them? What's your name on Facebook?
John Turner.
Okay, okay, I'm trying to tell you in the video below. It's good seeing you, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.